Thank you very much for joining me. I'm meteorologist Brian Shields. I hope you had a great weekend, and thank you for taking the time to subscribe and be part of this weather community. This moving in across the Caribbean. I've been watching Florida, finally some of the rain leaving over toward the Bahamas. The rain's going to pick up. This is our front leaving Belize, still near Honduras, and that will work its way across for many of us for the upcoming week. We'll be tracking this one for several days. A big stretch of rain here all the way down here. Here's the front. This will increase the chance of rain in the Cayman Islands today. Scattered showers possible. Jamaica, we'll see some rain as well in Cuba. So this will be gradually working through, and then we'll keep an eye on a few new systems, one coming on shore along the west coast of the U.S. Closer look here. Still some dust around, but as this front presses in, that's actually going to relieve some of the dust. So I want to get into the wave heights, the winds, and the rain totals, plus a look ahead in this video. So here's the big picture. This is later today, the rain through the Bahamas, down through Cuba, Jamaica, Cayman Islands, at least some scattered showers around. And then you see this front moving by, stretching all the way down near Costa Rica and Nicaragua. Could see an increased chance of rain, and Panama as well. This is tomorrow afternoon, and you see the rain, Turks and Caicos, it will be picking up. Then as we get into later in the week, watching one system bringing some of the mountain snow over toward the Rocky Mountains. Bermuda, we're going to have periods of rain and gusty winds the next several days, and scattered showers late week, Wednesday into Thursday, picking up near Haiti, the Dominican Republic, Puerto Rico, U.S. and British Virgin Islands, and eventually the rest of the Eastern Caribbean. A slight increase in the rain chance later this week. Now back to the short term with this system. Now taking a look at the winds today coming down out of the north. You see that even back through Honduras. So behind this, some cooler weather. Here again, this is where the system is. Did even bring a tornado to parts of the Keys, watching over toward the Florida Keys right here. This system pulling up toward Bermuda. Water spouts will be possible out of this. We'll keep an eye on the Bahamas throughout the day. Then by the time we get into tomorrow, more of that northerly breeze. Jamaica, Cayman Islands, Cuba, right through the Bahamas, down through Haiti, that breeze out of the north. So tomorrow night in Haiti, the Dominican Republic, for example, we're going to have some slightly cooler temperatures. By Wednesday night in Puerto Rico, temperatures will be slightly cooler with that northerly breeze as the system lifts up to the north. You can see here again, that northerly flow will be with us as we work our way into our Wednesday, back through even the U.S. and British Virgin Islands. Then over here, the winds are going to turn a little more out of the south, back in the Gulf. This is with our next system that we have working in across the U.S. So I'll keep an eye on that system as well. But let me show you the short term and then get into the rain amounts and the wave heights. This here, there's the front. This is later today. See across, especially the central and northern Bahamas. And then by tonight, nearing the southern Bahamas, chance of rain, Jamaica, Cayman Islands, and still some scattered showers in Honduras, but Yucatan, Mexico, and Belize. Most of this action is off to the east for today. Costa Rica, Panama, rain chance picking up, and anywhere from Trinidad over toward Grenada, St. Lucia, spotty shower possible. But this is tomorrow afternoon. Southern Bahamas, Turks and Caicos. The rain chance will be higher tomorrow afternoon. You see that right there. And still a chance of scattered showers. Jamaica stretching back near Nicaragua, Costa Rica, and Panama. Haiti, we'll see that chance of some showers. Not a lot in Panama, mainly western sections. And then the front will be right about here on Wednesday. So a better chance of rain, Dominican Republic, Puerto Rico, and the Virgin Islands by the time we get into Wednesday. As far as totals go, this isn't too terribly in the way of heavy rain. So with that, it's good to help fill up some of the cisterns somewhat, but it's not heavy tropical rain, so the totals aren't necessarily going to be too high. See Cayman Islands, Jamaica, Haiti, the DR, Cuba. If you get some rain, we're looking at about 25 millimeters or an inch of rain. And that's if you get rain. Not quite all of us will. We get back through the Bahamas, some brighter colors showing up. We could get some spots of about 50 millimeters or 2 inches of rain, especially in the northern Bahamas. This is a 3-day rain total. So again, we're not looking at those tropical downpours we're used to, but we've got some rain that will move by. Now the sea's kicking around. Meters right here, feet right here to keep everyone covered. Now we get a look today again across near Bermuda, down through the Bahamas. Seas running at about 3 to 4 meters, so we're looking at about 11 to 13 feet. Things are obviously going to stay choppy in the Atlantic waters, a little bit choppy Western Caribbean. This is tomorrow. The Gulf will be better tomorrow. Things subside since that system has pushed away, but things will build as this lifts up to the north and gets more of a spin by the time we get into Wednesday. Very high seas on the Atlantic side, still very choppy as we swing back through the Bahamas, and still as we get over toward parts of the central and western Caribbean, northerly swell. We'll see things a bit on the choppier side. Gulf still okay. So Gulf of Mexico improving for any boating interest. All right, we get a look at Jamaica. You see that rain chance elevated today. Cayman Islands, it will be elevated up to about a 60% chance of some rain. Keep me posted. Jamaica, Cayman Islands, put what you get or don't get and your location as we build this weather community. Pass along that information. Trinidad and Tobago watching the dust. May still have some of that around. Rain chance stays minimal. Passing shower possible from Barbados back through St. Lucia. May get a couple more tomorrow. Rain chance about 20 to 30% the next 3 days in Grenada. 20% chance St. Vincent the Grenadines. 20 to 30% chance in Martinique over the next couple of days. Isolated shower in Dominica. I know we need to get some more rain. Thursday and Friday, the rain chance will be a little bit higher. Guadeloupe tomorrow, we're looking at a 30% chance. And holding on to a 30% chance in the next 3 days in Antigua and Barbuda. St. Kitts, Nevis, and Montserrat, rain chance 20 to 30%. A 20 to 30% chance in Anguilla and St. Bart's. St. Martin, Saba, and Statia, rain chance 20%. And mainly on the dry side in Puerto Rico today. But with that front moving in, you see on Wednesday, we're going to be up to a 50% chance. And again, a better chance of some scattered showers on Wednesday in the U.S. and British Virgin Islands with the tail end of the front. Dominican Republic as well. Midweek, it will be picking up. We'll see some of the showers moving in. Tomorrow and Wednesday, isolated shower possible as we make our way in Haiti. Rain chance on the very high side across the Bahamas today. And then focusing on more of the central and southern Bahamas by tomorrow. Turks and Caicos, rain chance will be higher tomorrow night, even lingering into early Wednesday. Cuba, best chance central and eastern zones for today as that front sweeps through. Belize, the rain chance is down. Most of the action just off to the east. Same thing as we get over toward the Yucatan of Mexico. Rain chance bumping up a little bit in Aruba, Curacao, and Bonaire, an isolated chance of a shower later in the week by midweek. Rain chance, though, super high across Bermuda the next couple days. This system moves in. We're looking at gusty winds, high seas, and watching out for the rain. Higher rain totals as we work our way into Bermuda. We could see some spots getting upwards of 100 millimeters or 4 inches of some of that rain in some spots. We move forward, getting a look in Costa Rica. 40% chance of rain for today, 50% chance for tomorrow, 40% chance in Panama, or 40% chance Wednesday. Panama, slightly lower rain chance than that, but there'll be some scattered showers. Guyana, rain chance about 30%. In Suriname, about a 10 to 20% chance of a shower, and a 10 to 20% chance in northern Venezuela. So the front moving in this week, I'll be tracking that. Highest rain chance in our northern zones, choppy and dangerous seas. This will help reduce some of the dust, at least temporarily. I'll keep an eye on that. And I'm monitoring the earthquakes that we've had over the last few days. Nothing too big. Keeping an eye on some of the volcanoes. So I'm going to give you the updates on that as we go throughout the week. Thank you for being part of this channel. Have a great rest of your day.